Hey, what's up people? So, umuulan sa labas and may bagyo. I can't go out. I'm so bored and I'm hungry. I'm actually thinking something to do and gusto ko rin magpainit. Let's go ahead and start cooking batchoy. Samahan niyo ako, tara. Basically what we're gonna use is basic ingredients for tinola. Wala lang siyang kasamang papaya or sayote. So we do have leaves, dahon ng sili, sibuyas, bawang, luya, sili, and miswah. I also bought dugo ng baboy and pork. What we're going to do is we're going to cut all of this and saute it in a pan habang papakuluan natin yung dugo para mag-build up siya bago siya gamitin. So, ayun na siya. Ginisa na natin yung baboy, bawang, luya, and the onion. And nilagyan natin ng patis and paminta para magkalasa yung baboy. Tapos, sasangkot siya lang natin yan hanggang lumabas yung mantika ng baboy. And then, nahaluin lang natin yan hanggang mas sangkot na siya and mawala na yung nilagay natin na half cup of fish paste or patis. Ayan, hanggang lumambot na rin yung baboy. And now, since medyo okay na yung baboy, lalagyan natin siya ng water. So, depende sa gusto nyo. This will serve as the sabaw ng inyong niluluto. Adding more water para medyo maging masabaw yung ating batchoy. Since masarap humigop na sabaw during rainy season. Put the fire medium heat hanggang kumulo na ang ating batchoy. So now we have already cut the pork's blood into cubes. So napakuluan na natin to kaya naging solid na siya na ganito. And then, kinat lang natin siya into cubes like this. Then, we're gonna add it na sa ating batchoy. So, now we will be adding this to our batchoy. And then, we are going to simmer this hanggang maluto siya. Haluin lang natin. At pakukuluan na natin ito. Tatakpan na natin into putting the fire into medium heat. Ayan, so medyo nag-simmer na siya. Next step is we will be adding some more taste to our batchoy. So we'll put in 2 siling labuyo, and we will add some salt, konti lang salt, kasi ang magiging pangpalasa niya later on is patis. So there, and some more pepper. And we're gonna add some ginisa mix. And then we will add like 2 cups of patis. There. Konti-konting lagay lang, guys, para madali siya matansya once sumobra or magkulang, rather, mas madali siyang dagdagan kaysa makasobra yung lagay. Then haluin lang natin yan. And we're gonna let it simmer again for another 5 minutes hanggang kumulo na siya. Okay, so since kumukulo na ang ating batchoy, there, haluin lang natin siya. Tignan lang natin kung okay na sa ating panlasa. So, sakto na yung timpla. Kaya pwede na natin ilagay ang miswah. There we go. And another one. There. And then haluin lang natin siya, and then just wait for another 2 to 3 minutes para medyo maluto yung miswah before we're going to add the last ingredient, which is gonna be the dahon ng sili. Let it simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes. Ayan na siya, guys. So, medyo haluin lang natin. and final taste. So lastly, nalagay na natin yung dahon ng sili. And pwede na natin patayin yung apoy because the remaining heat will already cook the leaves. There. So there you have it, guys. Naluto na yung ating batchoy and we're going to eat na. We already cooked our very own batchoy. So don't forget to click like, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more of my videos. Thanks for watching.